Baby, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Uni Diaries, I've had ups and downs, I've had times with friends, I've had classes, I've had postings, I've had times that I've had to reset. So you guys, life is too uncertain to be uncertain about things you have control over. And so I said to myself, to every moment that life gives to me, cheers and welcome.
Whisper, good morning, so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there.
You guys, we have
Clip, bought it, crib, got it.
die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay the course. Always putting trust up in the Lord. I know he's got his hands on it for sure. I know that he's a cure. In every situation you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid cause you're in the lead. I know that I'll never be the same cause you set me free, yeah. That's my guy, he won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation, I had to upgrade the title. It's gonna be trading faith. It's gonna take you trading where you put your faith. And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing for